Hello, I'm in McLean 323, a laboratory that was only recently renovated, and I'd like to say a few words about the continuing momentum at the university and the investments that the university is making in making the campus environment more vibrant by improving and modernizing the infrastructure. So this laboratory is obviously one beautiful example of how we're taking different parts of the university and renovating them and upgrading them and bringing them to the state of the art in order to enable our faculty to conduct research at the cutting edge and to enable our students to benefit from state-of-the-art facilities. As we speak, another laboratory exactly like this in the same building downstairs is being renovated, and by the end of the summer that renovation project will be completed. At the same time, this summer in this building we are renovating a state-of-the-art nuclear magnetic resonance imaging laboratory, an NMR facility, bringing in a brand new state-of-the-art 400 megahertz NMR machine. In addition to these three laboratories in McLean building, there are lots of other interesting projects underway. Probably the most significant of these projects is a major renovation of the North Campus tennis facility. This facility was in need of some improvement. That improvement is currently taking place. It began a few months ago, and we are very excited to say that the project is moving forward ahead of schedule, and by the end of the fall semester it should be completed. This is going to be a wonderful new facility. Lots of other interesting projects are underway. This summer we're also renovating the Bissinger room in the House Center. We are undertaking a major renovation of the Williams Library. We are renovating the Schaefer Athletic Training Center gymnasium. This upgrade includes transformation of the space into a modern, high-performance training environment featuring enhanced wall padding and turf, 3 new batting cages, advanced perimeter and ceiling netting. Another example of how this university is continuing to move forward, and thanks to the community for enabling all this progress.